Hello everyone and welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I'm doing a painting for my surgeon. About a week ago I underwent laparoscopic abdominal surgery and of course before the surgery I was anxious and uncertain of how I would be feeling after the procedure. Regardless, it had to be done because I never had a day that I felt good anymore. The surgery day came and the surgery went well, no problems. Everyone at the hospital was terrific and supportive to me. I'm so very grateful to everyone involved with my procedure. Of course, I'm especially grateful to my surgeon who performed the procedure. My doctor was professional and helpful and altogether an incredibly talented person. I'm still recovering, but I'm feeling better every day, and hopefully soon I will have more energy to do more activities. Before the surgery, I was sleeping most of the day and exhausted all the time. Now, already I'm able to do more and enjoy more things, including spending time with my best friend and the love of my life, my husband. My husband has been supportive through my entire ordeal of feeling unwell, the lead up to my surgery day and my recovery as well. There have, of course, been other family and friends who have been helpful and supportive as well, and I'm very grateful to them. For everyone in need of surgery and anxious, from my experience, it seems I was imagining everything that could go wrong, when in fact, it all went right. Thank you again to my surgeon and the team at the hospital. So this is my finished painting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and check out my next video. And thanks for everything. Have a good day.